is like a quick way that you can find the solution if you don't want to go through Gaussian elimination. What you can do is you can actually find the solution by taking the determinant of this AI matrix, and that AI matrix is the matrix that is formed by replacing the ith column by b, and b again is that constant vector that you have. And then you divide that by the determinant of A. So in the next problem, number 25, we are going to use Cramer's rule to find our solution. So we start off with our matrix A, which is going to be the 2, -3, 4, and 5. And then vector B will be -1 and 9. Okay, so usually our first column is, or the first one is going to be x followed by y. So to get x, we're going to take the determinant of A1 divided by the determinant of A. So here's what A1 is going to look like. We are going to replace this 2, 4 with -1, 9. So we're going to replace that with our constant vector, and then -3, 5 from the original matrix. That will be over the determinant of just A, which is 2, -3, 4, and 5. Okay? So you take the determinant here, so you'll multiply the main diagonal, subtract the off diagonal. So that gives you -5 minus -27. So you just have 27 minus 5, and so you get 22. And then that's over this determinant of A, which is 10 minus, and then this off diagonal, which is going to be -12. So that gives you 22 over, and then here you also have 22. So that just gives you 1 as your answer for x. Now, the only thing that you can reuse from this is that the determinant of A is 22. However, to get y, what you have to do is you have to replace this numerator determinant. So for y, you're going to be looking at the determinant of A2, meaning that you will keep the first column just as it is, so the 2 and 4, but then the second column you'll replace with this constant vector, so the -1 and 9. And then that's over determinant of A, but the great thing is you already know that the determinant of A is 22, so you don't have to recompute that. So to get the determinant of this A2, so again, y1 is going to be the determinant of A2 divided by the determinant of A. To get this numerator, you'll multiply the 2 times 9 to get 18, and then minus the 4 times -1 to get -4, and then over 22. And it just happens to be the case that this also gives you 22 over 22, so that gives you that y is equal to 1. So your solution is 1, 1.